Okay, class, today we are going to be doing a cracker lab. We want to look at the chemical and physical digestion that takes place when somebody eats a cracker. And we have some predictions that the temperature is either going to increase or decrease after eating a cracker. And so we're going to see if we're right in our predictions. So this is how the cracker lab works. You're going to take your temperature right now. So everybody, take your temperature. You leave it in the bag, and then you're going to turn it on, and you're going to put the whole thing, like in the end of it, under your tongue. So turn it on, just like Ricardo is doing. Turn it on. And it's in the plastic bag so that we don't share germs. So go ahead and turn it on. Press the little button and put it under our tongue. And so we're going to get a baseline of the temperature so that we know where we started from. And when it beeps, we're going to write down their temperatures, their initial temperatures in our journal.
We don't have to do this?
Okay, put it under your tongue, please. Okay, so when it beeps, you're going to take it out of your mouth, and then we're going to record the temperatures. Okay. Ricardo, what does your temperature say on yours?
It says 95.3 Fahrenheit.
Okay. And Alyssa?
95.7.
95.7. And Avery?
98.3.
Okay. And Priscilla?
97.3. 98.2.
98.2 for Jesus. Okay. The average body temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to write that on the top, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And okay, so now what we're going to do in our cracker lab is that everybody's going to take one of those crackers, take a cracker and put it in your mouth, and you're going to chew it up. Yes, right now, chew it up. And you get to swallow this cracker. We're not spitting it out. We're not doing the iodine test. And as soon as you're done chewing the cracker, you're going to go ahead and take your temperature again. Keep chewing it up and swallowing it. And when you've finished, go ahead and take your temperature. Make sure you press the button and turn it on. So do I have any predictions from the class? How many of you think that the temperature is going to decrease? Okay, we got a couple. How many of you think the temperature is going to increase? Okay, and the rest of you have no opinion. Okay, well, maybe you're not sure, but let's keep going. As soon as it beeps, take it out of your mouth so I know what to record your score. Okay, Ricardo, what is your temperature?
96.3.
96.3. Okay. Alyssa?
97.9.
Priscilla?
98.8.
Avery?
98.0.
Okay, and Jesus. Yours is not ready?
I didn't even turn it on.
Oh, goodness gracious. Go ahead and keep recording. The rest of you, take another cracker and do the same thing. I will turn on the document camera in a short while in case you missed collecting any of their data. Okay, and as soon as you're done chewing, go ahead and turn the thermometer on and take your temperature. Jesus?
98.1.
98.1. Okay. And so we're waiting for their scores. Does anybody know, is a cracker, is it protein, is it starch, or is it a
Starch.
fat? It's a starch. Good job. Do you remember the name of the enzyme that is in the mouth that breaks down starches? It's not an acid, it's an enzyme. Does anybody? Okay.
Turn it off.
Priscilla,
99.2.
99.2. Alyssa,
98.7.
8.7.
What is it?
98.7 was Alyssa's. Okay, Avery.
98.8.
All right. And so we're waiting for 2 more. When you finish, go ahead to your next cracker. We don't want a lot of time between the crackers. Okay, Ricardo.
98.4.
98.4. And as soon as you're done eating your cracker, I want you to go ahead and take your temperature. Okay.
98.1.
98.1. Okay. Go ahead. Eat your last cracker. Ricardo, make sure it's under your tongue. Okay. And Alyssa, what's your temperature?
98.7.
98.7.
Temperature is 97.3.
Okay. Priscilla?
99.4.
God dang you.
Okay, Avery?
98.8.
Okay, and we're just waiting for
Jesus.
Jesus. Okay, the rest of you may take the thermometers out of the plastic bag, throw away the plastic bag, and then put the thermometer back in its case.
This. Oreo y tamale. Who's 98?
Okay, so go ahead and take and throw away the plastic bag, Ricardo, and put the thermometer back in its case. And Jesus is finished.
About time.
98.1.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. Okay, turn it off and put it back in the case. Thank you. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at our data. Okay, and I'm going to